Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, today, as I promised, getting back to you all with the install for the solar generator on the truck. That's running the Starlight Mini. Starlight Mini's up here, as you can see, and what happens is plug goes down here into the solar generator. I had to tape it because for some reason that keeps slipping out of the outlet. I have a voltage meter there, and then 12 volt, and then USB. That gets turned on. It turns on the whole system, 14.4 volts. This is a plug on the exterior for the exterior generator, or charger rather, for the battery. I just have it set up in here for now. Got the charge controller, 100 amp hour battery. As you can see, the battery, this Kepworth battery, comes with a charger and an aviation plug. It also has a USB on the side right there, as you can see, and the battery, that USB and everything gets turned on by this power switch right there, and that turns that on, just in case you need an extra one. This all gets hooked up here, and then on this side I have the plugs for the solar panel. Right now I'm just using my portable solar panel on the outside, but what I'm going to do is, when I order the new one, I'm going to mount the new one up in here between these two bars here in the center there. And like I said, it's 100% self-sufficient. I do have the charger in case the power's running down. I can go ahead and charge it, overnight or whatever. It doesn't take much to charge it, as long as you keep the battery topped off. The Mini only takes about 12 to 15 as you can see, the load is 15 amps or 1.5 amps, 14 volts, and the incoming is right now about 81. So, and that's 120 volt or watt panel. So it isn't much. I know it's kind of redneckish, but it's just in here for now, just to keep the Mini up. The reason I'm doing this is because here in Oklahoma, when we have storms, it knocks out the power a lot. So I put a lot of things on solar, just so for ease of life. This way, when the internet goes down, the Mini is always on. Plus, when we're out on the road, if we need emergency services or whatever, we have internet wherever we are. So it's like having a satellite phone in the truck with us at all times. So that's where I'm at. Like I said, I know it looks redneckish for right now, but until I get better stuff, then I'm going to, put it in a better case, mount it more securely in the back of the truck, and get the solar panels hooked up and all. The other hardcover that I put on, that I made myself, that didn't really work out, so I put the tonneau cover back on, and it is what it is. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. Remember, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll keep you all posted on what's going on with this, and when I get the solar panels and hook those up, we'll hook those up quick. So, thank you very much. Have a good day.